Hi guys, a little bit update about sa akin. Just want to have a little break sa pag YouTube cause di ko binibigyan ng break ang sarili ko and I'm college right now. I need peace of mind na rin siguro and I need a rest for editing. But don't worry guys, I'm still gonna vlog and mag-iipon ako ng mga clips and tulad ng dati siguro upload ko siya ng full length video. But gusto ko lang na maging parang time stamp tong na to, video na to. And I think yun lang naman. I think kailangan ko lang ng 1 to 2 weeks para mapagpahinga and also makapag-vlog na rin and focus on my own things and siguro improve na rin yung sarili ko. And I'm planning to actually gumawa din ng TikTok and hopefully maging success. But yun lang naman and bye-bye. Shish.